Travel insurance is a crucial safety net for older travelers, offering peace of mind when exploring new destinations. As we age, the likelihood of unexpected health issues or travel disruptions increases, making it even more essential to have the right coverage in place. However, navigating the world of travel insurance can be tricky, especially for seniors. Many older travelers may not be aware of the common pitfalls that can lead to inadequate protection or unexpected costs. In this video, we'll dive into the key challenges older travelers face when selecting travel insurance. From understanding policy exclusions to recognizing the importance of pre-existing condition coverage, we'll shed light on the nuances that can make or break your travel experience. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions, ensuring that your adventures are not only enjoyable, but also secure. So, whether you're planning a relaxing getaway or an adventurous expedition, stay tuned as we explore the common pitfalls of travel insurance for older travelers and share practical tips on how to avoid them. By the end of this video, you'll be better prepared to choose the right travel insurance, allowing you to focus on creating unforgettable memories without the worry of what might go wrong. Travel insurance is a specialized policy designed to protect travelers from unexpected events that can disrupt their trips. Its primary purpose is to cover various risks, including trip cancellations, medical emergencies, lost luggage, and other unforeseen circumstances. For older travelers, having travel insurance is not just a good idea, it's essential. As we age, our health needs become more complex, and the likelihood of encountering medical issues while traveling increases. Older travelers may have pre-existing conditions that require careful consideration when selecting a policy. Travel insurance can provide coverage for medical emergencies, ensuring that you receive the necessary care without incurring exorbitant out-of-pocket expenses. Moreover, the financial risks of traveling without insurance can be significant. Imagine facing a sudden medical emergency abroad or needing to cancel your trip due to unforeseen circumstances. Without insurance, you could be left with hefty medical bills or lose the money spent on non-refundable travel arrangements. In essence, travel insurance acts as a safety net, allowing older travelers to explore the world with confidence. By understanding the importance of travel insurance and its specific benefits, you can make informed decisions that prioritize your health and financial security while enjoying your adventures. When it comes to purchasing travel insurance, older travelers often encounter several common pitfalls that can lead to inadequate coverage. One of the most significant issues is the limitations surrounding pre-existing conditions. Many insurance policies have strict exclusions for medical issues that existed before the trip, which can leave travelers vulnerable if they require care while away. It's crucial to understand how your specific health conditions are treated in the policy you choose. Another common mistake is neglecting to read the fine print in insurance policies. The details often contain vital information about coverage limits, exclusions, and specific requirements for filing claims. Failing to grasp these nuances can result in unpleasant surprises when you need to rely on your insurance. Always take the time to thoroughly review the terms and conditions before making a purchase. Additionally, many older travelers may be tempted to choose the cheapest insurance option available, thinking they are saving money. However, this can be a risky decision. Low-cost policies often come with limited coverage and higher deductibles, which may not provide adequate protection in the event of an emergency. Conducting proper research and comparing different policies can help ensure you find a plan that balances affordability with comprehensive coverage, safeguarding your travel experience. Imagine a retired couple, John and Mary, who decided to take a dream vacation to Italy. Excited to explore the beautiful landscapes and rich history, they booked their trip without thoroughly researching travel insurance. Unfortunately, during their second day in Rome, John experienced a sudden heart attack. Rushed to a local hospital, they quickly realized that their lack of adequate insurance coverage would have dire consequences. Without proper travel insurance, John faced exorbitant medical bills that quickly piled up, totaling thousands of dollars. The couple had to rely on their savings, which significantly impacted their financial stability. Additionally, they were forced to cut their trip short, missing out on the experiences they had looked forward to for so long. Had John and Mary invested in comprehensive travel insurance that included coverage for pre-existing conditions, their situation could have been drastically different. With the right policy, they would have had access to quality medical care without the fear of crippling costs. Furthermore, they could have received assistance in arranging for a medical evacuation back home if necessary. This real-life scenario highlights the importance of understanding the potential risks of traveling without adequate insurance and how proper coverage can provide peace of mind, allowing older travelers to enjoy their adventures without worry. When considering travel insurance, it's essential to break down the costs and weigh them against potential expenses without coverage. On average, travel insurance can range from 5% to 10% of your total trip cost, depending on factors such as age, health status, and the level of coverage desired. For example, a $5,000 trip might incur a premium of $200 to $500. While it may be tempting to opt for the cheapest policy available, it's crucial to understand that higher premiums do not always equate to better coverage. Many travelers assume that a more expensive policy will provide comprehensive protection, but this isn't always the case. Some higher-priced plans may include additional features that aren't necessary for every traveler, while cheaper options might offer essential coverage tailored to older adults. It's vital to compare the specifics of each policy, including exclusions and limits, rather than focusing solely on the price tag. To illustrate the potential financial risks of traveling without insurance, consider a scenario where an older traveler experiences a medical emergency abroad. Without insurance, a hospital stay could easily cost $10,000 or more depending on the severity of the situation. If the traveler also needs emergency evacuation, that could add another $20,000 to $30,000 to their expenses. In contrast, a travel insurance policy that costs $300 might cover these expenses, saving the traveler from a significant financial burden. Ultimately, older travelers should carefully evaluate the cost versus coverage of travel insurance, ensuring they choose a plan that meets their specific needs without breaking the bank. To truly understand the importance of adequate travel insurance, let's explore some real-life scenarios where older travelers faced significant issues due to inadequate coverage. One such story involves a couple in their late 60s who planned a dream trip to Europe. Excited to explore new cultures, they opted for a budget travel insurance policy that seemed sufficient at the time. However, during their trip, the husband suffered a heart attack and required immediate hospitalization. Unfortunately, their policy excluded coverage for pre-existing conditions, leaving them with a staggering medical bill of over $15,000. This unexpected expense not only ruined their vacation but also placed a heavy financial burden on their retirement savings. In another case, a solo traveler in her 70s booked a cruise but neglected to purchase travel insurance altogether. When she fell and broke her leg during an excursion, she faced not only the pain of her injury, but also the daunting task of paying for her medical treatment and the cost of changing her travel plans. Without insurance, she ended up spending thousands of dollars out of pocket, which could have been avoided with proper coverage. These stories serve as a stark reminder of the consequences of not having adequate travel insurance. As you reflect on your own travel plans, consider the potential risks and challenges you might face. Are you prepared for unexpected medical emergencies or trip cancellations? Taking the time to evaluate your insurance options can make all the difference in ensuring a safe and enjoyable travel experience. Selecting the right travel insurance can feel overwhelming, especially for older travelers who have unique needs. However, by considering a few key factors, you can make an informed decision that ensures peace of mind during your travels. First, assess your health status and any pre-existing conditions. Look for policies that specifically cover these conditions, as many standard plans may exclude them. Next, consider the type of activities you plan to engage in during your trip. If you're planning on hiking, skiing, or other adventure sports, ensure your policy includes coverage for those activities. Additionally, check the limits on medical coverage, trip cancellation, and emergency evacuation to ensure they align with your travel plans. Comparison shopping is crucial when selecting travel insurance. Don't settle for the first policy you come across. Take the time to compare quotes and coverage options from multiple providers. Websites that aggregate insurance options can be helpful, but also read reviews to gauge customer satisfaction and claim experiences. Lastly, consider consulting with a travel insurance expert. These professionals can provide personalized advice tailored to your specific needs and help you navigate the complexities of different policies. They can also clarify any confusing terms and conditions, ensuring you fully understand what you're purchasing. By following these tips, older travelers can confidently choose the right travel insurance, safeguarding their adventures and allowing them to focus on creating unforgettable memories. Remember, the right coverage can make all the difference in ensuring a worry-free travel experience. As we wrap up our discussion on the pitfalls of travel insurance for older travelers, it's essential to recognize the importance of understanding these challenges. We've explored how policy exclusions can significantly impact your coverage, especially concerning pre-existing conditions. We also highlighted the necessity of reading the fine print to avoid unpleasant surprises when filing claims. Key takeaways for older travelers include the importance of assessing your health needs, comparing different insurance options, and seeking expert advice when necessary. Remember, the right travel insurance can protect you from unexpected medical expenses, trip cancellations, and other unforeseen events that could derail your travel plans. By being proactive and informed, you can ensure a smoother and more enjoyable travel experience. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to engage with us. Please subscribe to our channel for more valuable travel tips and insights tailored specifically for older travelers. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might also benefit from understanding travel insurance better. Your support helps us create more content that empowers travelers like you to explore the world with confidence. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you feel more equipped to navigate the complexities of travel insurance. Safe travels, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.